Welcome everyone. Welcome. Hey there, Dominic. Good to see you. How's it going? What's happening? What is happening? Well, just about time to start out the session. I mean, we're in the kill zone, but technically we're still ahead of the futures open, the comics open. How's it going, everyone? Battlefield 3 loading screen? I don't know. Yeah, anything can happen, right? All right. All right, just a second. Setting up some stuff. Oh yeah, and the pin message, of course. There. Okay. All right, all right, all right. So getting ready here. So I'm in a trade, and the reason because I'm in this trade. Hey Mario, good morning. It was okay. Wanna trade here? Hey there, good to see you. It was a good morning in London. There was a trade that actually tricked me a little bit, but I got I got out with a profit with the scalp. So far it's an okay day. I was hoping that we will get back to the highs of this new day opening gap. Well, there's no gap actually, but right before this whole drop started, and I thought that we're gonna see a continuation to get higher. I like this area on the 15-minute chart right here, so that's why I entered to a long position. We do have liquidity above, fair value gaps and such, so should be working out. And the thing is, where is this? So yeah, this is the trade I'm in. It's a small position, not a big deal. You guys can see it the way like this. All right. So that's the only thing I'm holding right now. All right. Let's check for... actually, no. Never mind. We're just gonna wait. Maybe this will do the same like it did to me in London session. Who knows, right? I can imagine that. Okay. No news as far as I can tell for the New York session, but we could see some kind of a rally to the highs of this whole drop, and it's Friday, so who knows. Well, we'll see. So positions, orders, trades. Show trades. I can put this on. Oh, there it is. All right, so that's where I entered. Okay, all right. Should be tapping there. I hope. To the 30s. If it does twice the same to me, I will be upset. Dominic. Bam bam. No. You know what? I close it. There you go. I closed it. I don't care. You know, it happened before. Today, I'm not gonna let it happen again. I'm still okay with this trade. I'm still perfectly fine with this trade. But it should be going through actually 29.50. There you go. Should be spiking higher. Just close it, yes. And there you go. Closed it and spiked through my original TP. Yeah. But anyway, I let this one slide. Since in the morning it tricked me once, I did not want it to happen again. Should be heading higher. There you go, to 36. And even higher, all the way to the 40s. So looks like we're going. Let's party. Let's party. I wish I could, but we're not there yet. Not there yet. Okay. Which means we should, we definitely have to wait for the markets to open, but I still feel like we're bullish. Somebody was telling the 600 level in London. I don't remember who it was. I don't know who it was. I don't know. So we marked up the 600 level as a possible target for today. Could go. If you look at the 1 hour, small fair value gap around 600. And right above that too, previous day high. Could see a rally. You know, squeezing every short. Let's wait for now. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. But I think it's gonna stop now until further directions. Daniel, hey there. How's it going? So this wasn't a good trade. This was actually a very good trade. Let me mark this up right there. Okay, now it's turning. Nice, nice, nice. Well, as far as I can tell, there's not much for now. So we continue to do the waiting game. I don't want to jinx it, but I heard the neighbor is starting the electric hedge trimmer again. So I wish I could show it somehow to you guys. Feeling bullish today, at least for, yeah. He started the hedge trimmer again for now. Okay. No, the dog is not barking, Dominic. No. The dog is very quiet nowadays. Sometimes he barks, but not really. I think the hedge trimmer even more bullish than the dog barking. That's an even more bullish sign. Took out some levels though. Let me delete this. It's irrelevant. On the 5-minute, it's definitely looking bullish. We have a very good chance to go for the 600. Got it. All right. There is a oh, you guys can't see it, of course. There's a very high chance that this one can go bullish. I wonder for how long. I'm getting the farm. The hedge trimmer call out. You bet everything on it, right? YOLO. There you go, full port. Let's see. Future is about to open in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Drop a like, guys, and let's wait. Drop a like and let's wait. Oh no, there's sirens again. What does that mean? Hurry up and wait. I hear sirens. They might be coming this way. Okay. Yeah, looks like a bullish chop. All right. I forgot that the market is open. Sirens mean chop. Peter, hey there. Trading is okay. I had a long trade here, as you can see. It was a small position, and now I'm looking for the market to go higher to the 600s. If you look to the left, I do believe there is some liquidity up there to go, especially if you look at here on the 5-minute. I'm pretty much bullish. If you look at the higher time frames, 15, 1 hour, there's also some good targets up there. And it's Friday, you know, relief rally after the events from yesterday. So when the market closed after we had this huge drop, so what if this didn't happen and market wanted to correct to the buy side? I think we will see not just 600 but 634. I would call that level. I know it's a little bit up there, but it's absolutely not impossible. I would go with the buy side liquidity up there. Who knows? The electric hedge trimmer is working right now. I think you guys can hear it. No, it's turned off now. It's on. Can you look at the daily? Yeah, sure. So this is the daily. It seems like, so we went lower, repriced. Oh yeah, I can do that, but still. So there was this gap on the daily. Went down, repriced it. Now it's going higher. The question is this candle gonna end the day as a bullish pin bar on the daily, or is it going to continue to expand higher all the way to maybe even the 700s? Of course, I think we don't go there, but to the 600s. I think there is a good chance for this candle to expand higher to the 600s. This could have been a manipulation leg, especially due to the war events, and it can push higher to the 600s. That's what I think. There is also a gap up there, but it's not gonna go there today, that's for sure. I think, but never say never. Nasdaq can do anything, but should be pushing to the 600s. That's how it seems like for now. So Mario, I would say it's definitely bullish at this moment. Looks very, very bullish. First buy side would be at 85, but should be going through at the 600. What candle is that forming? This candle on the daily is a bullish pin bar with the long wick. And the thing is that this kind of candle can stay like this. So if it stays like this, or the market wants it to weigh like this, we are going to have a very choppy New York session. So all the way chop. And it's going to leave it like this. Why? For next week, for Monday or Tuesday, to decide the market what to do with this. And that can mean also a chop for the whole New York session. On NQ. Yeah, you're welcome, Mario. What do you mean? Well, the Nasdaq actually doing crazy stuff. So the new day, actually, I mean, the electronic trading hours started after yesterday, the PM session. The war events pushed it down, and now it's back to where it all started, actually higher. So I think it's not the end here. 600 is definitely in the cards. Low hanging fruit is at 80. Hold on. The low hanging fruit is here at 86 as buy side liquidity. That's the next level we should be getting to, which is about 40 points. You try 1 mini, well, you have all the chance, but make sure if it goes against you, we have a gap here as well on the 5 minutes, so don't forget it. It can also make a pullback here and then try again. So, howdy, Trader Oracle. It's risky, it's definitely, but if you go with small risk, not with 1 mini, and if you're willing to sit on it, at least with a 1-to-1 ratio, you can take it, depending on how you manage your risk. Hold on. Just a second, I'll be right with you. So that's why I said, as you see, we can pull back down into this gap, and so that could be a little bit. I mean, not saying super risky, but you have to expect to move like this, especially before the 9:30 open. That's what I would say. Anyway, let's wait. Okay. Oh, now it's starting up. Now he just started the lawnmower. So the electric hedge trimmer is off. Now the lawnmower has started. No, both of them are working. How is he doing that? I have to watch this. Okay. Yeah, Lawnmower Man. That was a classic movie. If you watch the movie nowadays, it's absolutely childish, very category C movie. But back in the 90s, it was special. All right. So it's going to hover around this area until the open. I agree. He is talented. Yeah. But hey, back in the 90s, The Lawnmower Man was a great. It was kind of like a thriller sci-fi combination movie. It was interesting. Now comes the lawnmower. It's getting closer. I hear it. Okay, so who has the guts to enter to a long position on this one? To go for that buy side. Actually, go for the 585. Here comes the lawnmower. Hold on. You guys can't hear it. I don't know if he's trolling me. I swear to you guys. I swear. He's doing it at least 2 or 3 times a week. And only when I'm streaming. I swear to the holy Jesus. That's what's happening. I don't know what the hell. When I'm streaming at least 2 or 3 times a week. But grass is not growing that fast. That's hilarious, yeah. I don't know what is going on. I mean, maybe he has to do something around the house. But even if I cut the grass every once in a week, you're basically not doing too much. But he was cutting the grass last week like 3 times, 2 times minimum. I think 3 times. Before that too. And I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how this works. And it's a very, very small garden. You hear it? I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know. Oh, and another guy just joined the party with the flex disk. Yeah. There's another guy. It's not my direct neighbor. It's another one a few houses down joined the party with a flex disk. Okay, we have an electric hedge trimmer. We have a lawnmower and the flex disk right now. All right. Hey Gui, how's it going? He watches your streams and cut the grass. It's Tom Boss. Yeah. I don't really understand. Is this kind of a anomaly in the Matrix, or I don't know. Okay, he's getting closer again, or maybe not. Matrix. Guys, just to let you know, this is actually, so before Andrew Tate was, talking about all this thing. Oh, you of course you guys don't know that, because when I was streaming on Twitch, we were talking about it, these kind of live things years ago, and we talked about like this life is actually a video game. Really. I mean, the Matrix movie was not far from point. Actually, it could be on point. This whole thing that you experience can very well be a video game. Really. Not literally saying a video game, but something like that. A simulation. A game. An artificially created... I don't even know what is this. And this is everything is a video game. Who knows if this is reality, what we think it is? Yeah. That's a shitty game. I think I'm gonna lose subscribers from this stream. Anyway. You can call it religion, whatever. Anyway, it's a video game. Hey Inky, good morning. We were talking about the big things in life. Oh, I love that sentence. Do you think that's air you're breathing? That was like that sentence is heavy from Morpheus. That was heavy. But I did like the scene, one of my favorite scenes, when Cypher was at the restaurant with Agent Smith. I know it's not a famous scene, but I think it still is a good one, as they're sitting there. And we all know what this is. They all know what this is. And, you know, Cypher is eating the steak. He's enjoying it really much. And Agent Smith is sitting there like a statue. Like, not even a head move or anything. And the Cypher is eating that steak and says, ignorance is bliss. And you know what? Actually, if we're talking about the Matrix movie, Cypher wasn't all that bad. I mean, it was bad because he betrayed his friends and everything, but if you look at it, and they gave an answer on the fourth Matrix movie, which was dog shit, and actually the first movie was the best one, all of the rest of it is a pile of dog shit. But in the fourth movie, we did get an answer from this guy who is played by, you know, the guy from How I Met Your Mother, Neil Patrick Harris. Yeah. So they actually confirmed that they told everyone. I mean, not that they told, but when the third movie finished, they let people decide if they want to go or not. It has been confirmed, and still they chose to be in the Matrix. A lot of people chose to be in the Matrix, to stay, you know, in ignorance. Anyway. Hello, Neo. No, Neo, almost Neo. Hello again. I want to short target 520. What do you think? Yes, let's check it. 520. I'd like to see 560. You couldn't hear it. I want to see 5062, so 5062 being taken out before I go short. He's next to my window. He's next to my window, guys. I have to check it. Oh man, I think I can get this. Oh, by the time I get it, he's turning around the corner. You guys didn't see him. The dog is here. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. It doesn't. So I told you, everything is in place. Everything. Because I'm sorry, but I wanted to prove what is happening right here. Anyway, that was cool. I like this one. Dog barking by. I'm sorry about this. So I want to see 5062 being taken, and then it's starting again. All right. Do you think that grass you're cutting? So the dog is barking. We have the lawnmower. Everything you need. That's lawnmower, man. So yeah, let's let's get back to serious. There's an EMA right now which could be supporting as resistance, or not support, as acting as resistance. I'd like to see that 62 being taken out. This is actually a sign that it is going to go to the moon, guys. Yeah. Told you. But I did not get the part when he's using the hedge trimmer. All right. What do you guys think? I mean, I believe we should be taking out the low-hanging fruit on Nasdaq at 586. This one definitely looks like a push to right up to the 600s. What do you say? Black Beauty Machine, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Push the like, guys. Push the like. I think I just missed a few people because of lawnmower, man. I think we're gonna stay like this at least for the next 28 minutes for sure. So yeah. Only made to the moon. Oh, this is a new thing. I know what this is. It's a sprayer. Ideal conditions to trade, guys. You can't make this up, guys. You can't. You can't make this thing up. I wish I would be drunk. You can't make up all this. Alright, that's it. I have to close the window, guys. It's not, you can't trade like this. I mean, no. Alright. Close the window. Man. Alien craft. Okay. Jokes aside. Come on. I mean, I think this was an answer from the Matrix or whatever. I had a good time. This was funny. I may jump in long. Guys, I am definitely thinking to jump into a long with a small position, but I'm a little bit scared to take it pre-market. How about I only take the trade on this MyFundedFutures account on trade await. I could do that with 1 micro. How about that? But we're not in the gap yet, so I want to wait for the gap. Okay, I'm filled with 1 micro, guys, on this MyFundedFutures account. I'm gonna put my stop. Yeah, that's the problem, but at least I'm not risking too much. This account is looking good, up $51,500. So I may risk $100. I may go even with just with a 1-to-1. I don't know. Sell stop right there, and I'm gonna put a. Oh my God, it's looking terrible right now. I put a sell limit right there. It's very bad. don't do this. It's just closing through that fair value gap. I would love to see this not closing lower than the gap. Only one micro, so I'm not gonna cry about it. I think it's definitely going to consolidate until the open, and since it's so close to these lows, it might even take it out. But it's if it takes me out, then the next trade I might gonna give a little bit more risk. All right. Inky went short. It can drop from here easily. We took out the high here in this area. What if the market wants to continue down? That can happen. And look at this. Market structure shift, boom. That can happen. The diagram same. What are the difference is it moves slower. ES is mainly different because it moves much slower than NQ. And it is respecting the levels a little bit better than NQ. Easier to target certain fair value gaps or highs and lows. So yeah. All right. By the way, also today I managed to get another Apex account into some nice profit. Which is this one. Made 800 on this 25k account, but this is just an evaluation account, so. But I'm not going to touch this. Today $800 on a 25k evaluation is good for me. I'm gonna leave the rest for next week. It's a Friday, so. Good morning. Good morning, Clarity. Good to see you. Target 50 22. Oh, you're already in the trade. Okay. Just a second. Oh, basic, igen. Tehát gyakorlatilag igen, de a mozgásuk nagyon hasonló. Illetve a 7 legnagyobb cégnek a részvénye körül mozog egyébként is minden a tech szektorban, tehát a Google, Tesla, Nvidia, meg még Meta, többiek. Tehát ezek a legnagyobbak mozgatják mind a két szektort, mind a két piacot gyakorlatilag, de a többi apró az nem érdekes. Sorry guys, just a little bit Hungarian. We were just discussing that the magical 7 are moving the markets most likely on these moving the market. Netflix, for example, Nvidia, Tesla, Google, Meta. I know I forgot a few others. Well, it doesn't look good for my long right now, but at least we're getting closer to market open. All right, going down, I see. Opening range trade is, yeah, pretty much. It's a little bit risky, but if you know what you're doing, actually you can make some decent profit on it. It is a little bit risky, but I think I'm going to delete my sell limit. This is most likely going to get taken out. I would be surprised if the stop would not be triggered on this one. How much am I down? Not too much, $31 right now. So my stop loss should be around 60 something or $70-ish maximum. 60 maybe. Yeah. On this account. Okay. Highly doubt that we're going to survive this move. Should take out 471. And ES is slowly taking the stairs down. Who knows? This is also a short opportunity. Most likely almost like a second stage. It should be going down further to 72. I don't like to stay in this position, but I accepted my risk. So it's a small trade, but still. Target is 72, guys. 20 points down. Should be taking it. Short it. Yeah, if I would not be in a trade, might try to short it on an evaluation like this. Actually, I'm tempted to close this and start a short, because this low is definitely in danger. It's too late to enter now. I'm not doing that. Might wanted to do it with 3 micros, but that's not worth the risk. Yeah, I'm just gonna close this. There. Should be taking out the 72. I'm down $42 on this trade. Still okay. So I'm gonna wait for market open. If it makes a shift, then I might re-enter along, but this is way too much. Looks like it wants to take out 72. Too many, no way. No way, man. I'm not doing that. You guys, if you have the balls to do it, you're welcome. You're welcome. Actually, it can work out pretty good. Yeah. Hey, Muhammad. Good to see you. I'm doing okay. Had some good trade, and then we had a small loss. The London session was also good. This was profitable. So doing okay. Hope you're doing good too. We're just hovering in this area, guys. Nothing's really happening. But I do feel like it should be taking out the 72. That would be a logical step. My schedule being very packed now. Got no time to trade. No problem, Muhammad. No problem. We all have different schedules, so can't be everywhere all the time, I know. Only Dr. Manhattan can do that. So alright, so if anyone is new here, push the like, subscribe to the channel, and if you would like to support, grab your codes. Some good sales still going on with all these prop firms. MyFundedFutures, awesome deals, $50 for a 150k account. But if you go with a 50k account, activation fee is $50. So if you can pass it in 30 days, that's the cheapest 50k funded account I've seen so far, I think, including the activation fee. Click on the link. Best deals. Okay, still 8 minutes to go. Only 10 more points should drop. Okay, just a second. I'll be right back. All right. Let's wait for the open. I just pulled down the shaders a little bit. Too much sunlight. Actually, hold on. One more thing I forgot. Man, I don't know what the hell is going on with my Streamlabs bot, but it's spamming like crazy with these links. I'm sorry about that. Let me do something because this is too much. This is too much spamming. All right, we see a push higher while we wait. Let's see the timers. I need... All right. Changed a little bit. I think it's just gonna spam more. Oh, look at that. We have the drop. We have the drop. Right before the open. Time to short party. I'm not shorting. I'm actually waiting to get long. But I might going to do it on this MyFundedFutures account. Maybe delete this level. It's irrelevant. We have buy side at 86. I'm looking for the 86 buy side. He's so faithful. Sabak the midget. I'm faithful. I am actually. Good to see you there. I am. I really want to go for that buy side. I really want to. I stick to my analysis if that's what you mean. I also want to see ES take this high out. Right there. So, cutie pie, Tom. Hey there, Tay. Thank you. I am a cutie pie. I am. Hands off for me until at least 10. Yeah. There might be no direction until 10. No news, actually. But might have to wait for a clean direction. I'm gonna stay bullish. I'm gonna stay bullish. 2 minutes to go. Look at this. Might be shifting back up again. Wow. Actually, it just took liquidity from the 15-minute. So you know what? I'm definitely gonna go bull. Yeah, I'm gonna go bull. I'm gonna go bullish after we have a confirmation. Unfortunately, the market open and the next few minutes after is gonna be too much liquidity under the price. Yeah, could be still a little bit of fair value gap down there. Might be. All right. Less than 1 minute to go. I am going to put this on the quant hour chart. So this way you guys can see. Of course, your guys in a delay, so it doesn't really matter, but at least I can see how candles are printing. As I said, trading view is lagging, so this shows you actually how the candles are printing. All right, the opening bell is gonna be super loud, guys. Cover your ears, okay? It's gonna be very loud. It's gonna last 10 seconds ish. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, moving lower. Tapped into some more liquidity on the mini, on the 15-minute. Not doing anything for now. Just hovering in one place. Closed lower, so it seems like it's dropping. Where can be the target? On the 15-minute. The next swing low is at 31. Right there. 31. It's repricing a 5-minute gap right now. $31 is close. Actually, let me see. The low of that candle is yeah, 31. Closed below this, so it actually made a structure shift. This one. This is technically a structure shift. If this candle is going to leave a fair value gap here, could be dropping furthermore, guys. Okay. Okay, there you go. So this is a perfect short entry if you guys want to take it. Target could be 31. I'm not taking it. Maybe I should, but I'm not going to. I don't know about this gap or if it's going to hold. It's not really holding. Be fearless, be empty, be patient when the marketplace is the first in a quarter of the anti-intersection. Just walk over and pick it up. Trade well. There you go. The wise man himself. Yeah, Nez, actually, that sounds very good. I like that. I like that. You're in long. Massapetti is in a long. I'd like to think that this one will go higher. The dog just barked a few times. And it's keeps on barking. Inside, I mean, a 15-minute fair value gap has been repriced. So all I need is a displacement higher and I'm in the trade. Standing in one place. No direction so far. The 1-minute gap is still holding. So this one is still holding. Next target would be 31. If they want to let it go. But there's nothing below 31 that is interesting. For now, at least. Not moving. Still ranging. Wait for the move. All you need to do is keep breathing through the nose and let go. Don't try to impose force. Focus and relax instead. Yeah, I'm sitting super relaxed, trust me. As Morpheus said to Neo, free your mind. You know. Yeah. 1 hour said at liquidity 75 cast last night. Oh yeah. Look at this. Wow. I do believe that this could be a tricky one. Or maybe this was super simple, just would have had to let go. There, now it's going down to 31. What if it does? Let me check it. I think it wants to. Takes out this low here. Alright, taking it out. Next is 31. I'm not in a position. But this one is eyeballing 31. I'm telling you guys, I like this. Alright, took a trade. Took a trade to the 31s. I have no stop loss. Who cares? It's only a micro, so I'm gonna put a stop loss a little bit later. Let me just wait. Maybe I add one more to it. I want to see 31. Okay. Added one more and that's it. Modifying it to 3. Okay. Take profit is still at 31 with 3 micros. This is a scalp trade. This is not ICT, whatever. This is just scalping. Come on. Man should have opened with minis. I'm fine with micros. I would not be able to manage this with minis. Look at this. Almost took my TP, but didn't actually. Wow, what a move. Oh man, we're getting stuck here. I don't like this. Just one tick, guys. TP was missed by one tick. One single tick. I have no stop loss on this trade. I'm gonna put a hard stop. Actually, I'm gonna put this to break even. If it goes up, I don't want to be in the trade either way, so it's a free trade at least. If I zoom it out, it seems like a huge trade. If I zoom this one out, it seems like a super heavy trade. And I got taken out break even. Nice. Alright. Thank you. Man, missed my TP with one tick. This was a scalp. Didn't turn out good. So no stop loss. Yeah, I'm out break even. So no loss on this trade. And now it's gonna go to the original 31. There you go. Dirty girl. There. One more push and 31 is taken out. Look at this, man. Took a little bit more liquidity and boom, went down. Oh, what a dirty move. Don't let green turn red ever. I'm trying to. It's not worth it. Also, if you're in profit already, consider taking some. I actually exited with break-even, so that is a profitable trade. Break-even trade is always a profitable trade. What a dirty move. Look at this. doesn't want to take that small wick there. Man, one tick is profit, exactly. Even when you make $0, that is also a winning trade. Because you entered the market, you managed risk, you get out by covering your rear end. So, wow, what a dirty, dirty, dirty. Actually, now I'm glad I got out at break even. I'm very glad. I think it can stay here, consolidate, and then who knows what's gonna happen. What a move. The 5 minute, nothing. The 15 minute, look at this. This actually repriced the 15 minute here. There. That means, I'm gonna delete this. Down here, it was a 15 minute gap. It got repriced. Almost like an inversion. Not a perfect one, but it is. If I do want to be aggressive, I'm gonna go long. It's a very aggressive trade. If it gets down here, I might add one more micro, and that's it. Final TP is gonna be 586. No stop loss yet. I haven't decided what to do. You know what? I'm gonna put a stop loss right down there. Okay, so this is what it's gonna be. And I'm going to sit in this trade if it goes higher. I'm going to sit in this one for 60. 60 is my final TP. Sell limit at 60. Yeah, there. Okay, so this is it. That's the lowest hanging fruit I can go with, and this is the trade. Okay, because 60 is a round number. We have an order block on the 5 minute, also on the 1 minute maybe. Which one was it? It was the 5 minute, right? Yeah. We have a 5 minute order block at 61. I want to get out before that, so 60 is good. 60 is the lowest hanging fruit. That's my target. Final decision. Top of the previous hill. That's also a good take profit. I want to go into the order block and approach the buy side. But that's true. I rewinded the live stream, Tom. That trade was over 40-50 ticks at 1.60 ticks for 15 points for like a minute or so, Tom. Next time, just take the profit rather than break even. Anticipate the pullback. Yeah, that's actually good too. You can anticipate moves in the market. That's what I'm doing right now. So you feel okay with taking profit even if it's some profits? No, I don't feel okay with it. I want to leave the trade as it is. But this was a scalp trade. This was not my classic entry or classic model. This right now, right here, this one is my classic model for trading. Otherwise, when I'm scalping, it's different. I'm not a good scalper, absolutely not. I couldn't make it too far with just scalping. I would mess it up. Professional trading. Well, I wish I can say that one day, but now this is my plan. If it decides to go lower again, let me check the ES. ES is looking for that buy side. Look at that. We were talking about that 62 level earlier, so I do believe we have a chance on ES. Look at this trade, man. Nasty. Break even? Yeah. So this is the scenario, and I'm going to leave it anyways. What a trade. ES is back down as well. I'd like to see it go higher, but there is a 3-minute fair value gap, which can act as possible support for the trade, but it's just trading through it as I see. And I don't like this, man. 63, and now this could be the one where it goes to 31. You see, my take profit was at 31, now it's my stop loss. A little bit ironic there, but or irony. But I'm gonna stick with this. I'm gonna stick with this trade for now. Should have trailing stop or break even. Yeah. Look at this. We're gonna go down to 31. What a mess. What a mess this is. Jesus Christ. Feels like it's just gonna take out that 31 finally. This is a real mess. I still hope it can turn around. If it does, that would be awesome. But it doesn't. But I did scalp on the Apex account. I made a short scalp on the Apex. Evaluation 25k. So today I scalped $1,000, 25k up to 26. Although I promised I won't, but and there you go, my stop loss is gonna get taken out. Oh man. Oh, the big stocks are red, right? My trade plan, I mean, I'm trading my plan actually. That was my original trading plan. Look at this. So my original trading plan was to go for the buy side, and actually it was almost okay. Not the perfect A plus entry, but these relative equal lows has been taken by now. I mean, once again, we would also prefer to trail profits. Yeah, that's why I said I'm not trailing my profits, because I don't want to break even. So I'm going to leave my stops all the time there. I will not have trailing profits. I can promise you that. I'd rather take a stop loss. It feels much better than a break even or a trailing stop. But if I win, and if my analysis is correct, I make a big win. And that big winner is enough for me to, compensate for those losses. It's more important for me in trading to know that my analysis is good, rather than exiting with small profits on the trade. So I'm one in a move. I gain profits, and I usually will exit full. Yeah, you tell me too often. I see now. Prefer to let gains to break. Yeah, let gains go to break even, and even enter in the red. Actually, I'm only using break even when I'm scalping. If I put it to break even, 90% of the time, I'm not touching my stop loss. I'm leaving it as it is. Mainly scalping. So yeah. Yeah, take what the market gives you, definitely. Maybe the thing is that I'm looking for a little bit wider distances, looking for some wider targets, and that's why I prefer to leave my stop there. It's not just the M1 entry, by the way. So if I enter, I do check for higher time frames like M5 and M15, just adding that. So the model itself where I enter is on the 1 minute, but the structure that I'm checking and I'm seeing is on the 5 minute, 15 minutes, sometimes the 1 hour. So that's the structure I'm checking. The model itself, when I put the trade on, is on the 1 minute. Yeah, absolutely, I get it, Naz. Yeah. That's why, like, everybody trades differently. And I'm still bullish, by the way. I'm still bullish on this one. But I'm down, like this one. I'm down $131 on this MyFundedFutures account after 2 losses. So that is manageable. But again, I did some nice scalp on the Apex account, which was great. Which was a good one. I'm happy about that. So when I see the structure shift again, I'm gonna go for 586 again. Not because I'm married to the idea, but because if I check the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart here, I still see that this is a bullish move going higher as I see the market structure developing up to the 200 again, maybe, but taking out these levels here. I just need, sorry. All right. As I said, it's not just for M1. M1 is only it's only for the entry itself. The targets are on the 15-minute, 5-minute, you know, and you know we spot those levels on the 1 hour too. So M1 doesn't actually have targets at all. If you remember, or you will see, all my targets are actually targeting 5 15-minute targets, fair value gaps, highs and lows, 1 hour fair value gaps. Many times you remember that I target 15-minute levels, 1 hour levels. I just enter on the 1 minute. That's it. I use it for entry. Part of the strategy. On M1, if you can get a consistent, I don't care for 5-10 points because I trade very small, so I'm not going for that. I understand if you get the 5-10 points, that's good, but you can also lose 5-10 points easily, and I rather take more losses with small risk, but when it hits the TP with a bigger than 1.5 R, most likely nearly 2 R, that's the ones I'm going for. But I get it. Absolutely, absolutely, I get it. And that's why I'm not really going to change on this. I'm gonna stick with this, and yeah. So far, it worked for me. It was comfortable for me to accept it as a risk, and so I'm sticking with it for now. And let's hope for the best. All right, guys, I'm gonna insert an ad. If you see an ad popping up, just, you know, watch it. Good for the revenue. Thank you, guys. Go where? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going. I'm still waiting for some setups to form. The silver bullet hour is coming up, so I'm looking for bullish move, shift higher. I still want to see ES taking that 62, so not yet at least. And yeah. Not going anywhere. Not now. Okay, stuck in this range. Nothing's really moving. Maybe another mini consolidation before choosing a side could be. It can very well be consolidation before that. Until then, please push the like button and subscribe to the stream or to the channel, sorry. And if you want to grab some good discounts, you know the codes. Here are the links. I would appreciate that. Thank you, guys. I'd say we have to wait. This is the 5-minute. Pretty much looks like a chop. We should be seeing some direction in the next 20 minutes or so. If I go higher on 15-minute, for example, there is a liquidity level at 387. Not that significant, but it is a level. So just the waiting game. On the 1 minute, it seems like the drop continues. So if ES cannot hold this 50.44 level, then, well, we have some equal lows down there. I still like the buy side both on ES and NQ, so I'm gonna stick with it for now. Of course, NQ is gonna have a harder time to climb up there, but I guess we'll see. Nothing is moving. We have to wait, guys. At this point, no clear direction. So Oh man. Thank you. Looks like it wants to go down. Maybe, but again, if ES tries to go for that highs, NQ will follow on with it. I'm just waiting a shift. Okay. We are waiting. Okay, now there's a drop. ES is still bullish. Take a, yeah, 410. Could be. If I check the 5-minute. There's like nothing really to do down here. There's much more stuff to do up there. I know it sounds funny or weird, but down there there's nothing. Up there there is a lot more exciting stuff for price. For the market. So I'm definitely waiting for that shift. But it's just going down. 390s could be. Just a quick phone call, sorry. Okay. So edged lower, but who knows what's gonna happen now. Nothing, nothing, nothing. At all. Everything slowed down. If it's gonna stay like this, we're gonna have a pretty much boring. Okay, look at this. Now, this one I like on ES. I like how this looks like. We have a nice target down at 50.12, and this just swept liquidity here. Market structure shift could be happening right now. I like this on ES. ES looks better actually for a short. Might consider it to go short. I don't even have micro ES. Do I have? No, I don't. Okay. So it's closing down here. Wherever it closes, it shifted structure on the 5-minute, and that is something we like. Okay. That is really something we like, guys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, it's going now. Maybe NQ is gonna go down to the midnight area. Check the 15-minute time frame. This looks like a big short soon. Well, if it would leave a fair value gap, but we'll still have to wait another 15 minutes after this. But ES also looks good. 390 incoming. Yeah, pretty much. On the 5-minute retracing, no fair value gaps on neither of these time frames. There is a bearish order block on the 1-minute right here. Good for an aggressive short. Are we gonna go in on an order block? I don't know. F it. I jumped in on the order block, targeting 319. Only with 2 micros. Stop loss is up there. And take profit is 391. 1-to-1 scalp. That's a hard stop actually. A little bit. Buy limit there. Okay. If it goes against me, I take it. Risk reward is not so good. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Entered on the order block. Let's see if we can get the 90. Hey Kid Nash, good to see you. Doing great. Having some nice trades here. So looking for the 90 level to be broken. Look at this pop, guys. It's doing it again at the weave up. Come on, really? We are going to have a fair value gap on ES soon on the 5-minute. Excuse me. At least with this trade I can regain some of my losses. Hope you're doing good too, Nikid Nash. Hope trades are going well. Guys, if you haven't already, please drop a like. Oh my god, my take profit was missed with one tick again. It's doing it. Okay, finally. Okay, almost back to break even, so that's good. Brought back some losses. The 5-minute closed, and let's see if I can get a ES short. Well, maybe I'm not gonna. Oh, should have stayed in this. It's dropping. Maybe back to. Look at that. Back to the 50s. There is liquidity. 15-minute fair value gap down there at 290. Is it too far to go for? I'm not sure I want to go for it, but NQ can do it. If something can do it, then that's NQ. One tick again, yeah. Ooh, if you ever was taking a break to re-energize, yeah, that's good. The weekend is here. You know, rest up the engines, refuel the tank, collect some energy. You should be okay. Thank you, Mesopeti. Well, this is just one account. The account I really do like for today is the 25k Apex. Managed to make over $1,000 on it today, so I'm super happy about that. I wonder how is ES going to perform. I like the fact that it made actually a structural shift on the 5-minute, but I can't really decide where it wants to go. Because if this leg is another leg of distribution lower, should I enter ES with 1 micro? Oh yeah, I can't. All right. Okay. I created a limit order on with 1 micro on ES. If it would trigger, otherwise I'm gonna wait. We are waiting. Should be good. Still dropping. NQ is still dropping. Next target is 48. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at this. I have no entry model for this. And I don't want to chase it. Alright, I'm gonna delete my limit order here. Okay. Deleted limit order on ES for now. Nasdaq could be continuing to drop. Oh, hey Kidnesh, I just received your email. I'm gonna send it to a few places and ask for their help. And I'll get back to you if you can hear me. All right. All right. 48, 58, 68. Do you see the channel at 15 minutes? Let's check it. Yeah, no problem, Kidnesh. I'm gonna search for a few clinics and I'm gonna send them the information, and as soon as I get a response, I'm gonna update you. They should be replying soon. So by next week, I assume. It could be done. This move could be done, yes. There's a huge possibility for that. All right. Well, NQ is just slipping lower on the stairs. Not my favorite price action for sure. And it's Friday, but look at that. We have the 15-minute gap still below here. Could this be a good target? I can imagine. Big stocks keep going down. Maybe not done yet. Oh well. Look at the 3-minute, 5-minute. Nothing really retracing. Could this be a continuation lower? You know what? I can enter with 1 micro. Somewhere here. Okay, I entered with 1 micro. I'm targeting the 15-minute gap down there. Might add 1 more if it goes higher, and we'll see what happens. Okay, let's see. I might be adding 1 more. Maybe here. How big is the drawdown? Drawdown is cool. It's manageable. Maybe I should leave it for now. The 5-minute is repricing, so I would put the stop to 411. Maybe I was a little bit more aggressive, but let's wait. I'm gonna put a hard stop. Wow. What a rejection. 2200 for today, 1000 left. Well, you did already good. So it's not my final stop loss, just saying. I have to decide if I want to add more or if I want to kill the trade somewhere at 411. Yes, going back up as well. Inside the 5-minute gap, we passed it, but nothing on the 15-minute. So, oh dang it, going down again. Back to square one. Back to square one. Maybe the VWAP will stop it. All right, adding 1 more here as rejecting a VWAP, and that's gonna be my final stop loss. And the take profit as well. Let's see where it goes. Aiming for that 15-minute gap below 300. Excuse me. That's like 70, almost 80 points. If it trades above the 430s, I'm definitely upside. And it should be searching for longs. But that would be also quite a big trip. Risk reward is not too good, but I'll hold it for now. Trying to reprice and push higher. If it closes above the VWAP, I will be in danger. Until then, it's the waiting game. Come on. Let's decide where we want to go. If the big stocks are bearish, then NQ should be dropping quickly below 300. Come on. NQ big boys all red. Okay, that's good for me. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It would be hard for them to turn around on a Friday if they're already red, which could help NQ to slip lower and take some more liquidity, I guess. Let's see. Can we prevail this? The waiting game, guys and gals. That's the waiting game. But I have to tell, like, if I look at the whole day of price action, we had much worse days than this. So it's not all that bad. So on a scale on 1 to 10, which is 1 like the absolute horrible unplugged Nasdaq with no direction, full barcode chart and choppiness and everything, and 10 being like the super duper trend, beautiful fair value gaps and entry spots, and as written in the book, this is like a strong 5, I think, this day overall. So there are much worse days than this. So let's keep on waiting. Tonight I might going to watch the Dune Part 2 again. That's how much I like the movie. Lost 800 today, covered almost 750. Nice. Bugs happened on my TOPSTEP X, which led to loss. Oh, I see. I never tried TOPSTEP X. Is that any good? Is it really worth to, you know? Of course I'm staying with Quantower except for this account here, which I'm trading on TradeAway, I mean through MyFundedFutures, but never tried TOPSTEP X. Now taking short with you to cover the rest. Well, this is a little bit of a dangerous short, I must tell you. But if you look at the 15-minute, for example, just let's look at the 15-minute chart down here. There's no other liquidity level than this one down there, and it absolutely no guarantee that it's going to go down there. If I look at the 1 hour, actually that is something on the 1 hour. There is a 1 hour fair value gap below the midnight area. Could be interesting. And for the 5-minute, it still has the same 15-minute gap. Now, if we would close below the midnight level, I could imagine a continuation, but as I see it right now, again, ES might want to go again for those highs. It's pulling NQ up. It's quite dangerous. And look at this. No structure shift yet, but oh man, ES is mixing the cards again. And I really wanted to see those lows being taken, especially at least down below the midnight area. The 1 hour gap was so close. And now we're back here. If we shift higher, I don't even know where can we go. If we shift higher from here. 5 minute, no. 15 minute, nothing. 1 hour. The next target up there is 473. So I'm going to put a buy side marker as 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap. And I don't like this. Hit my break even small loss today. NQ already dropped almost 600 points. Yeah. Problem is, I don't know. Feels like if it closes above the 407, then this move is pretty much over. The only chance after that is to aim for the 473. But man, ES is mixing it up quite a bit. If ES can't make a close above 5042.75, oh man, look at this. It's pushing it. It's pushing it. No shift on the 3 and the 5 minute yet, but I guess it's gonna happen real soon. There. Damn it. Should be minimizing my loss from here. But I'm gonna stick with the trade. If it wicks it out and doesn't close higher, that is actually a good news. 8 seconds. Two seconds. Okay. Now this candle. Oh man, look at that. Okay. It's pretty much it. ES is going for that buy side. Man, I should have stuck with my analysis. Okay. Closing my position, I think so. I'm gonna wait for the retracement. 950 macro. After this, that would require some liquidity sweep, but we have to check where is the next pocket of liquidity. Man, I am actually disappointed. I'm disappointed in this afternoon. I mean, sorry, morning session. For me, it's afternoon. Now, this is good. This candle is good. Okay, now this one I like. This candle I like. This is nice. This is a bearish one. I do like the rejection. Nice, very good. Very, very, very good. Please, go down. I like this rejection. Oh, man. It's gonna take the stairs. Okay, it takes me out. The problem is that's a 1 hour fair value gap. Then maybe I should go in with a higher risk. I'm gonna have to do some more analysis after this trade. Okay. Don't like this. It's taking the stairs. It's going up. The problem is it closed already above the 400 twice. And it seems like the 400 level is so far holding. If we could close below 87. Paulius, hey there. Did you make something after the open? I actually got to break even with this MyFundedFutures trade, and I scalped a little bit on another 25k Apex account, which is right here. So I made $1,000 on this 25k Apex account. I'm gonna leave that for now. But this MyFundedFutures trade, which is on TradingView, it's not really working out quite nicely. Yeah. Okay. But if I take the stop here, this would be the next and only logical reason to go up to 73. Could be worth to scalp it. Not sure. I might have to recalculate some risk here, because then my losses would be down at over $200 for the day on this account. So I can only go with like $100 risk on this evaluation account after that. But yeah. We once had Jack and Coke, and now we have Tom and Coke. Come on. You know what? Jack and Coke is good. Come on, man. Man. Hey, by the way, I don't know if you saw that. I just showed it to the guys. This was a new evaluation I took today, and I made $1,000 on a 25k Apex, and I wasn't even YOLOing, so quite happy about that. But this MyFundedFutures account is, I mean, it's still okay. It's at 1,300, but now it's gonna be having some loss over today. Let's go. Had no choice. It's all right. Hey, when are you going to the casino? You said you're going tonight, right? You said you're going tonight. Bring a lot of money. I hope you lose. No, I take that back, of course. Hey, if you win, you know, like a couple of thousand, yes, you take 1k. But at least it's a good thing, because you know that you take that 1k and you know you're comfortable, quote unquote, losing that 1k. Man, I'm telling you, Methodical Man, I would be so eager to join you in a casino in the United States. Man, that is like a bucket list thing to do for me. I would be there next to you. You know, you play the poker, and I'll be the guy, you know, in the background who's drinking the whiskey. You know, I would be drinking like whiskey rocks, you know, one more. And I will teach you to lose. No, I will be the guy who is like, anyway, I would be the strange foreigner from Hungary, you know, who drinks a lot of whiskey in the background. And I'm going to be talking Hungarian all the time, like, anyway. I'm going to be disturbing all the other players until they're going to throw me out from the casino. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You will say that. I don't speak English. Yeah, and yeah. How cool would that be? I'm gonna disturb everyone. I assume you're gonna play Texas Hold'em, right? Right? You should be. I hope you will. And you can harass. Oh, right. I can harass all the ladies. I will be like, Joey in Friends. That part when they were in the casino. I'm gonna find my identical hand twin. I will be like that. Borat. Yeah, Texas Hold'em, Borat. Ah, nice. Playing poker, I like, yeah. In my country, we play Dirty Liar. That's the card name. Now I'm going to slap you in the face if I lose. Something like that. Exactly. And if I lose, I take the chips, I take the chips like, okay, I win. And they say, no, sir, you didn't win. Yes, I win because if I show this card in my country, it's a winner. So I take the chips. Thank you so much. High five. I win. I win. Hello, sir. You win. That is my share. Thank you. I don't know. I would be harassing everyone. They definitely would throw me out. And if I would have a 19 at blackjack, I would just say, hit me. Hit me. Even if I would have 21, hit me. Of course, I can't call it that then. I would still say, hit me. I would never stay. I would always say, hit me, hit me. Man, I so want to be in the casino. Oh man, I wish I could be there. I wish. Man, I'm gonna buy a plane ticket. I'm gonna leave the fiance home. I'm gonna say it's a business trip. You're gonna be providing alibi for me, and you're gonna say, yeah, we're doing a trading conference or whatever, and I have to go to a business trip. That's it. Okay. I don't know what to make of this price action here. Fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Is it gonna take it? Oh yeah, let's go. Or is it gonna go through? I'm gonna put a buy limit just in case. If it go down, the risk reward is awful on this one. Or just bring her. Oh, but she's gonna stop me from gambling. Oh, the girls can... Oh, wait a second. If I give her some money, they can go shopping for some clothes. And there we go. There we go. She's gonna shop some clothes until I'm stuck at the table. Gotta make sure I buy the plane ticket, up front. Back home, Tom, hope you don't mind. I recorded my screen for Discord room. What? For Discord room of my last trade, and your voice is in the back. No problem. Absolutely. It's absolutely fine. It's no problem. Crypto Panda, you do what you want. You do what you feel. Oh, really? Okay. I'll check it. Nice. I'm just gonna mute the video anyways for now. Let's see the trade. Can I open this? I can actually... Know what we're gonna do? We're gonna all watch your trade. This is Crypto Panda's trade. Let's see what it did. Uh-oh. Okay. Firebird 1. I like that name. What's he doing? Buy market. Okay. Alright. Alright, baby. Let's go. Push it. Just push it. Okay. Still waiting. There you go. I like this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, stretch it out. That's what she said. Nice. Crypto Panda, congratulations. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful trade. This was Crypto Panda. Sent me over Discord his screen recording from a trade. Very nice, very nice. Congratulations. That was nice. I do like these kind of strategies. I mean, this was a fast one. This was a fast one, bro. Bruv. Nice, nice, nice. It was really nice. Thanks all. Today I'm done with the evals and the PAs, but gonna record them on a stream today. That was a really nice move there. And I'm stuck in this trade. I don't know. Should be going down to that fair value gap, so I'm just holding this one. By the way, a new thing. I'm going to journal the trades. I mean, not the scalp trades, but these, I mean, quote, normal trades that I take on stream. And I'm curious how we're going to do with the results with the trades on stream. So that is going to be an interesting thing to have for the channel and for future reputation and data. So this week we did very good, by the way, on the stream. I'm gonna make a video, a recap video about trades taken. I have to rewind a few streams, I guess, but I did journal the trades. But so far stream trades have been good. I mean, overall, we had losses too, but the risk to reward ratio wise and profit wise, I mean, the profit doesn't matter itself. All that matters is, was it successful or was it not, because everybody risks different amount. So that's why. Let's see, can we reach that fair value gap down there? Would be great. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider to subscribe and push the like button for the stream. Thank you very much. It really helps out the channel and it's a great thing to do. It's free. And also, if you want to get into trading futures, I have some very good discount codes and links. You can find it in the description. Codes are listed up there and also in the chat. Spammed all over the place. Use them wisely. It helps me keep going until I reach those phenomenal payouts that I'm aiming for. Thank you so much. That was the commercial. Okay. What is going on? Small gap here. Maybe it can provide some resistance. Maybe. Worst case scenario, it should be dropping lower. I mean, worst case scenario, it will take me out with stop loss, but no, it's tricky. It's tricky. It's going sideways, and we're out of the kill zone officially, guys. So I'm gonna mark this. Stop loss is at 430 and take profit is at 294. Is it gonna go there? We don't know. Actually, I'm gonna modify it to 95 like it was before. Approaching the lunch hour soon, and it's Friday. You know what that means, guys. Volume is going to dry out a little bit. Oh man, not my move. And ES is starting to go bullish again. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna leave the trade on. So mark this: 295 is my TP, 430 is my stop loss. I have some stuff to do anyways, so I'm gonna leave the trade. Let's see what it does. If it takes me out, at least I know what happens. This will be short. Patience. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave the trade. I'm just gonna have to go and do some IRL stuff in the city, and I'm gonna leave the trade. Hopefully we will get down there. Thank you so much for watching all week. It was a great week. Despite this trade, it was an awesome week, and I do appreciate all the support from you guys. So Daniel, Mesapeti, everyone, Methodical Man, Crypto Panda, Naz, Josef, Neo, and everyone, Paulius, Muhammad, Wendley, whoever was here, not just today but the whole week. It was an awesome week. How much did you up this week? Well, this week I made about 200. I'm gonna do a recap video over the weekend. About $200 on the funded account at TOPSTEP. That was the only one I was trading. I made $1,000 on an Apex evaluation account and 1,500 on a MyFundedFutures evaluation account, and another 600 on a second Apex evaluation account. So that's all, but I'm going to do a video where I'm going to show my balances, and I have to start this this week, so you guys will see. So anyway, it was a positive week. Thanks for everything, and hope to see you guys in London session next Monday. So everyone, thank you again. Have a great weekend. Rest up, enjoy. See you guys soon. All right, cheers everyone.